DCO stands for Development Consent Order. It's a special kind of planning permission that you need for a major infrastructure project, known as a nationally significant infrastructure project. If you don't have one and you start building one of these projects, you're committing a criminal offence. So it's definitely a good idea to get advice that you're doing the right thing. It's a very challenging time at the moment for DCO promoters. So there are three major factors that mean the whole regime is in a state of flux. The first is net zero. This is the government's target to remove all net carbon emissions by 2050, which is affecting all sorts of projects. So not only is there going to be a new generation of net zero projects required, such as carbon capture, hydrogen pipelines, even larger wind farms and a whole fleet of solar farms, but even existing projects are all going to have to comply with yet tighter and tighter restrictions on their emissions. The second area is environmental. The government is in the middle of reviewing the environmental assessment regime. Now that we're no longer a member of the EU, we can develop our own regime, and furthermore, infrastructure projects are going to have to provide what's called biodiversity net gain. They have to leave the environment in a better position after their project's been built than before. Finally, the third main issue is that the government is embarking on a review of the whole legal regime which introduced DCOs under the Planning Act 2008. This is going to be done in stages over the next 2 years or so, finishing in September 2023. So all in all, it's vitally important you get very good advice on your project if you're promoting one, or how to protect your interests if you're affected by one. DCOs is all I do, and I am part of the largest specialist team here at BDB Pitmans in the country. So do get in touch.